Turn the conductor tube ring to remove the conductor tube. Ensure that the cooling liquid caps are closed and the handle is elevated above the hose to minimize leakage. Slightly shift the nozzle. Release pressure by pulling out the tension handle. Pull out the handle completely to lock the pressure wheels. Remove the tension mechanism. Check that it's clean underneath and free of any chips. Remove the locking nut from the top of the feed roller using a size 8 spanner or your fingers. Note that it has a left-hand thread. Remove the feed roll from the shaft. Place a new feed roll on the shaft or reverse the feed roll currently used. Place the lock nut back on the shaft and tighten it. Remove the top plate of the tension mechanism using a 2mm hex key. You can use a screwdriver to pry off the top plate. Remove the pressure roll from the shaft and place a new pressure roll on the shaft. Place the top plate back on the tension mechanism and fasten the bolt of the top plate using a 2mm hex key. Place the tension mechanism and close the tension handle. Replace the nozzle. You can use a hex key to place it correctly. Attach the conductor tube. Turn the conductor tube ring to attach it to the torch. Tighten by hand. Close the service lid.